How to fix could not refresh Instagram feed on iPhone. Let's get started. Open your settings. The very first thing you want to check is whether you have stable internet connection or not. If you are connected to Wi-Fi, open the option of Wi-Fi. Click on the Wi-Fi that you are connected to. Click on Forget this network and rejoin the network. Likewise, in the case you are connected to cellular data, open the option of mobile service. Go to the option Mobile Data Options. Make sure you have toggle off for the option of Low Data Mode and make sure you are connected to 4G or 5G. After you check this, you can switch the network. In the case you are using Wi-Fi, switch to cellular data, and if you are using cellular data, switch to Wi-Fi. And then you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Likewise, heading towards next solution, scroll down, open the option General, go to the option Date and Time, toggle on for the option of Set Automatically, head back, go to the option VPN and Device Management. If you are connected to any kind of VPN, disconnect to it, head back, go to the option iPhone Storage, scroll down, open the option Instagram, click on the option Offload app, click on Offload app. After you offload the app, click on Reinstall app, and now you can go and check whether your problem has been solved or not. Likewise, heading towards next solution, open your App Store, search for the app Instagram. After app appears, if you find the option of Update, just click on it and update your Instagram app to its latest version. After you apply all these solutions, your problem is definitely gonna be fixed. So this is how you can fix could not refresh Instagram feed on iPhone. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.